Okay, so on the first part of this, which is the pigments lab, okay, we're going to do a little bit of chromatography and using a graphite pencil, not a pen, not wax pencil, graphite, because graphite is the only thing that will not dissolve in the alcohol that you're going to put on the beaker. Okay, you're going to put a little line right here above the bottom, and just like that Carolina biological video right below this tells you, you're going to take a quarter and you're going to rub your spinach right through there. Okay, and it has to be a little bit above the bottom, because what's going to happen is that you're going to take a this is a 250 milliliter beaker, okay, and you're going to put a little bit of solvent at the bottom, the alcohol that comes with it, and you're going to put this so it touches the bottom. Okay, when it touches the bottom, it cannot touch the line of dye that you just put with a coin. If you do, it's not going to work. Okay, so the line has to be above it, and then the bottom of the paper has to be immersed in the solvent, so that the alcohol can come up and wick that line of chlorophyll that you put on there. And as it comes up the paper, okay, as it comes up the paper, it's going to separate, because chlorophyll is more than one pigment. It's multiple pigments. How many? That's what we're going to find out. Okay, so you're going to put the bottom of the paper in the solvent. Okay, it's going to wick up. It's going to pull that chlorophyll up, and you have to keep an eye on it because as soon as the solvent front stops migrating, as soon as it stops moving up, you have to draw a line there. And the reason you have to draw the line is because once the alcohol evaporates, you can't tell where that solvent front is at anymore. Okay, and one of the things that you have to do in this lab is calculate the RF. Okay, the resolution quotient. Okay, and that's by dividing how far a pigment went up the paper divided by the total distance that the solvent front went up. So don't forget to draw a line where that solvent front stopped, because if you forget to do that, you're not going to, once the alcohol evaporates, you're not going to see where that line is at. Okay, so that should not be very difficult. Take a look at the video below this one from Carolina Biological, so you know how to do that. Put that little line of chlorophyll from spinach leaf, and that's really all there is to this part of it. Okay, you're going to find out how many pigments are in chlorophyll and how they're resolved using simple chromatography. Okay, so we're going to stop there, and